So today we're heading over to our school. It's gonna be my first day of middle school in like 4 days, but we're going to what is it called again? The open house. The school is called Randolph Middle School, and this is how it looks like on the outside, but the inside is better. So let's get into the building, and they had a small shop in the front, which was actually super cool. They were selling shirts and stuff. Tell me if you like my outfit for the open house. I like it. Okay, see that was the shop that we just passed. Okay, this is the school. That's the main office on the right. I mean the left. We just headed into the main office. I think it's pretty neat. They have a lot of trophies. Look at that. Then there's way more. There's an entire shelf of trophies. A glass bookcase. Can't believe the school has won like millions of trophies. But yeah, now we're going down the hallway, and I did find French class after some time. That's what I applied for, French. So yeah, we're going up the hallways. We're in the 6th graders, they live kind of outside the school. 7th and 8th graders, they live inside the school. Not exactly live, but yeah, their classes are outside. So we're just heading down. There's a bunch of lockers here. So I think we use lockers to keep our stuff instead of desks now in a classroom. And we're heading down this hallway. Like, we're trying to get some schedules and stuff. Also, if I didn't mention it before, this is like my first day in my middle school. I was in elementary, I just moved to middle school. So this is the open house for middle school. I'm just surprised why there's like 2 million lockers, and in the media center they have flags all over, which is super interesting. These are a bunch of photos, which I don't know why they're here. We're just trying to move through the hallways. There's a lot, but I got the hang of them in like a few moments. There isn't a lot of hallways, but like there's a lot of classes and stuff. So yeah, I got the hang of it in a few moments. Well, not a few moments, an hour probably. But yeah, I took like art, French, and keyboarding. I found all those classes. So we were having a conference, not a conference, but a talk with my English teacher. We found her. We just discussed the curriculum and stuff. It did take some time. That's me. That's my white jeans. Bunch of parents there. This is a cafeteria. You can eat here. And then more hallways. There's a few bulletin boards here. And like the one thing that there is the most in the school is lockers. There's way too many lockers in this school. And look, we're entering the media center now, or you can call it the library, I guess. It has a lot of books, and when I looked up, I saw so many flags. And then I'm like, wow, what are all these flags? But then I realized some were missing. I'm like, do they do it like this or what? And then I moved over, and we saw the other side. So there were actually a bunch of flags on the other side too. So basically, yeah, my point is they do have all the flags. And then I was looking through all of them, and I saw the India flag. It has like 3 colors and the Ashoka Chakra in the middle. But yeah, first of all, I love the library and how it has shelves all over. That's one of the best parts. Let's look up. there's the Indian flag in the middle with the Ashoka Chakra. And look, this was the trophy case I was talking about earlier. But anyway, guys, that wraps up our video. That's the end. Bye, and see you in my next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.